Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the hum source. Leave the amp powered and remove all input cables so you hear only the amplifier. Use a tested outlet and check that the power cord and plug are solid and grounded. A bad ground often causes low-frequency hum. Once done, briefly disconnect any ground lift adapters or speaker ground straps to see if the hum changes. Doing this quickly tells you whether the problem is power/ground related or coming from the signal chain, so you can choose the right next diagnostic step. Now focus on the signal path. Reconnect one input at a time using short, high-quality shielded cables and listen for changes. This narrows down which stage introduces hum. If you use pedals or a preamp, swap them with a known good unit or bypass them to determine if they are the culprit. Next, inspect amplifier internals, tubes, electrolytic capacitors, and solder joints, because failing components often add hum. Make sure you power down and discharge caps before touching anything. This prevents damage and keeps you safe while troubleshooting. Finish by addressing the root cause you identified. For ground loop hum, install a ground loop isolator or reconfigure grounding points and cable routing to break loops. For component-caused hum, replace worn tubes or electrolytic capacitors and resolder cold joints. Swapping parts with known good ones confirms the fix. Once done, verify under normal operating conditions. If the noise persists despite these steps, use an audio isolation transformer or get a professional technician involved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.